Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. In an age of growing environmental awareness, many households are taking steps to save water. One common practice gaining popularity is using recycled water like leftover dishwater, laundry water, or even vegetable rinse water to manually flush the toilet by pouring it directly into the bowl. On the surface, this seems like a clever and eco-friendly solution. But according to plumbing experts, this seemingly harmless habit could be silently damaging your home's plumbing system and your health. Why do so many people pour water to flush? It's usually done to save water, lower utility bills, or as a temporary fix when the toilet tank isn't working. In older neighborhoods or places experiencing water shortages, it's a widespread trend that appears to work. However, experienced plumbers are sounding the alarm. This shortcut may cost you much more in the long run. The hidden dangers behind pouring water to flush. 1. It can damage the toilet's internal structure. Toilets are engineered with precise water pressure and designed to create the right flushing vortex. When you pour water manually, especially with inconsistent force or direction, you disrupt this delicate balance. Over time, this can weaken the water seal, also known as the trap, and lead to odors rising from the pipes. Worse yet, it could shorten the life of your toilet. 2. It increases the risk of clogs. When flushing manually, most people don't pour enough water with the necessary force to push waste and toilet paper completely through the drainage pipes. Without the proper swirling motion, solid matter can get stuck, leading to slow drains and eventual blockages. Many plumbers report that a large number of clogging cases are actually caused by people manually pouring water to flush. 3. It promotes bacterial growth and unpleasant odors. If you are using grey water such as laundry or dishwater to flush, you may be introducing salt residues, oils, and food particles into the toilet. These can stick to the bowl and inner surfaces of the drain, creating the perfect breeding ground for bacteria and mold. Over time, this leads to foul odors and potentially unhygienic conditions for your family. 4. It may disrupt the building's plumbing system. Modern residential plumbing systems are carefully designed based on expected water flow and pressure. Changing how toilets flush can throw off this balance, resulting in slow drainage, poor air venting, or even sewage backflow in some extreme cases. This is especially risky in apartment buildings or older homes where the systems are more sensitive. What you should do instead. If your toilet tank is broken, it's okay to use a bucket once or twice as a short-term emergency measure. But plumbers strongly advise against making this a daily habit. Instead, repair or replace a faulty tank as soon as possible. Better yet, consider upgrading to a modern dual flush or water-efficient toilet design to save water without compromising performance. For households looking to reuse grey water, experts suggest safer options like using it for watering gardens or cleaning outdoor areas, not flushing toilets. And remember to regularly maintain your drainage system to prevent build-up and blockages before they start. If this video helped you avoid a costly mistake, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next episode full of practical home tips and hidden dangers to watch out for. Thank you.